Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get the Philo on Xfinity Flex. So, I will go ahead and show you three methods. So method one is actually going ahead and using Philo on a supported streaming device. So you're going to grab a Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV and connect it to your TV. Download the Philo app, okay, from the respective app store, and then go ahead and just log in with your Philo account and start streaming. Method 2 is casting from your phone, okay? So you want to go ahead and ensure that your Xfinity Flex box and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Go ahead and open up the Philo app on your smartphone, tap the cast icon for Chromecast users, or go ahead and use AirPlay for the iPhone users. And just go ahead and select your TV or compatible device, and your content will appear on the screen. Method 3 is actually watching Philo via a web browser. Go ahead and open up the Xfinity Flex web browser. If available, go ahead and go to www.philo.com and log in, and then you can start watching directly from the browser as well. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.